Hi, Brother Jaire and Sis Abby. Congratulations on your coming wedding. May the Lord bless you and guide you in all your decisions and be fruitful in the ministry.
A blessed day, Brother Jaire and Sister Abby. First of all, we would like to congratulate you on your upcoming wedding. Nawa po ay i-bless po ng Panginoon at maging successful po ang inyong wedding, upcoming wedding, at ang maging sentro po ng inyong relasyon ay ang Panginoon. Nawa po ay patatagin niya po kayong dalawa sa inyong pong journey bilang bagong mag-asawa. And lamang po, and God bless.
Congratulations to both of you.
Hi Jaire and to your wife. Congratulations sa inyong kasal. May the Lord bless you and guide you sa inyong mga magiging plans, decisions. It's a new chapter in your life na kayong dalawa ay sa bawat gagawin, dalawa na kayong magko-consider sa lahat. So there are some fighting and there's some also to the reconciliation. But the best part of being in a marriage is sabi ng Bible, two are better than one. God bless sa you, Jaire, and to your wife, and may the Lord give you blessing na baby agad-agad para wag nang tumagal at kayo makabuo ng isang pamilya na magagamit sa ministry. Your life is a blessing to us, even sa Sharjah at sa ibang lugar dito sa UAE na ikaw ay nakakasama namin. Patuloy na pagpalain ka ng Diyos, gamitin sa ministry at magpakatibay kayo sa inyong new journey na sa married life at pagtibayin kayo ng Panginoon. God bless!
Hey Jaire, it's me, Tito Ernie, and my darling, your Tita J, told me about your special day. Well, congratulations in advance on your upcoming wedding. Just remember, your Tita and I are very happy, and we're praying for you and your wife for many fruitful years ahead of you both as a married couple. See you soon, and take care. My sincerest regards to everyone there in the church as well. God bless you all, and you have many, many years as a couple.
Hi Kuya! Happy bachelor's party! I'm happy for you and Abby. At hopefully we see each other soon. Nag-start na kami. Props to! Walang alcohol. Walang alcohol. Props lang.
Hi G, I just wanna say, and I have to write this down kasi pag it's something this significant, I tend to, be lost for words. But anyway, congratulations on finding your perfect partner. May your marriage be filled with endless happiness, unwavering support, and a God-centered love that continues to grow with each passing day. Best wishes to you and Abby. And here's to both of you.
Cheers!
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of Jaire's program today. And as the father of Abigail, it is our prayer, it is my prayer that ang maging asawa ni Abby ay una, Kristiyano, at mahal ang Panginoon at naglilingkod sa Panginoon, at pangatlo ay responsabling lalaki. We thank God because God has answered our prayer in the person of Jaire. We are thankful because God has sent us Jaire, and we are confident to entrust Abigail, our daughter, to Jaire. So, Jai, we accept you as our family member 100%, and we are confident na ipagkatiwala sa iyo si Abigail. Thank God for you. We love you.
Hi, Jai. Surprise? I think so too. I know that this video will just be one of the many that you would be viewing today. I thank you for your love for Abby, and I thank you for your care for her. I know that both your love for the Lord will enable you to love each other. Take care of her as she will surely take care of you. Love you, anak. See you soon.
What's up, Jai? First, congratulations, anak ko, for surviving the bachelor's life in a few days. Mag-aasawa ka na. Congratulations in advance. And for now, enjoy mo muna yung bachelor's party mo. And thank you for the people behind this plans and program, sila Sister Judith and the group. And alam ko trabaho ng ginawa ninyo. Thank you very much to all of you guys. But Jaire, akalain mo, no? Sabi ni EJ, yung isang kapatid mo, sabi niya, naglalaro kayo ng basketball. Ang dupang-dupang yan pa, hindi na mamasa. Ngayon ikakasal na, sabi niya kanina sa akin. Tapos, sabi naman ni Kuya Japet mo, sabi niya, na nasa Starbucks tayo, tinaas mo yung paa mo. Sabi ng kuya mo, iba ang paa mo, puro alikabok. Sabi naman ni Jasmine and Joshua, wow, ikakasal na si kuya. And they're very, everybody in the family na are proud of you at masaya para sa'yo. Dumating na yung prayer mo, si Abby. And happy for you and Abby. For now, enjoy your party and do not put your cell phone into airplane mode. Hindi pa yun moment na yun, ha? Alam mo yan kung kailan mo ilalagay ang cellphone mo sa airplane mode. Thank you very much, anak ko, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa amin, sa panalangin na lagi mo kami isinasama. Again, enjoy this. Sabi ni Jasmine, enjoy. Sabi ni Joshua, enjoy. Ni Ate Cheska, EJ, tsaka ni Japet, tsaka ng tita mo. Pero syempre, hindi diyan ka. Ayan ka yung kayabang-yabangan mo. Okay, anak ko, I love you so much. Enjoy this day.
Hi loves! Happy bachelor's party! I hope na nag-enjoy ka dyan and enjoy mo na din yung few days mo na single. Thank you. I thank the Lord for you, for giving you in my life, for your life in general, and how much the Lord used you to be a blessing to me in so many ways, for making me a better person in a lot of aspects. And sa mga nandyan, thank you po sa pag-prepare din for Jaire. Thank you for showing love for him po. And loves, and I can't wait to be your wife soon. And hope to see you soon. I love you. Thank you, everyone.